Fedora 44 has just hit the scene, and there's a lot of buzz around it, but is it really the best Linux distro out there? Let's dive into what makes it tick and whether it's worth your time. Fedora 44 is a cutting-edge Linux distribution that aims to provide the latest and greatest in open source software. Right off the bat, the installation process is user-friendly, making it accessible even for those who aren't Linux veterans. The desktop environment is sleek, featuring GNOME 44, which offers a modern look and feel with intuitive navigation. One of the standout features is its commitment to integrating the latest technologies, like Pipewire for audio management and Wayland for display server protocols, enhancing performance and security. The software repository is extensive, giving users access to a wide array of applications right from the get-go. However, if you're coming from a more traditional distro, you might find some of the changes a bit jarring. The default settings are quite minimalistic, and while that might appeal to some users, others may feel it's lacking in customization options out of the box. Overall, it's a solid choice for developers and tech enthusiasts who want to stay on the cutting edge. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Fedora 44 is incredibly up to date, which is great for those who want the latest features. The community support is robust and the documentation is pretty thorough, making troubleshooting easier. However, there are some drawbacks. The rapid release cycle means that updates can come thick and fast, which might not suit everyone, especially if you prefer a more stable environment. Additionally, some users have reported minor bugs that can be a bit frustrating. If you're a gamer or rely heavily on specific software, you might find some compatibility issues, as Fedora tends to prioritize open source solutions. So, while it shines in many areas, it might not be the best fit for everyone. In conclusion, Fedora 44 is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a modern, feature-rich Linux distribution that pushes the boundaries of what's available. It's ideal for developers and those who enjoy experimenting with the latest technologies. However, if you prefer stability and extensive software compatibility, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth trying out, especially if you're curious about the latest in Linux.